Hi, there are a few ways how you can enable silent mode on your Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first one is with the help of your quick settings. Just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger your quick settings. And in here, find this slider for media. You can drag it to the left side and disable media sound. But to enable silent mode, you need to tap on this icon like that. This is vibrate mode, and tap again, so it will become silent. In silent mode, the icon would be black with this line. Another way how you can enable it is by going in settings, choosing sounds and vibration, and on the top selecting mute option. Also, you can temporarily mute your phone and select amount of time and even set custom time, just like that. So I muted my phone for 5 hours. Another way how you can mute your device is with the help of enabling theater mode. So go in modes and routines, choose theater, tap start, and here select amount of time, then tap next. And if you want to, you can enable do not disturb. Here you can create some exceptions for this mode and for app notifications as well. Then tap done. So in my case, none of the notifications are allowed. So D&D mode mutes all calls, notifications, and other alerts. You can tap next, and here enable also dark mode when theater mode is enabled. Also, you can turn off always on display, for example. Then tap done. Now this is how it will look. If you want to, you can change appearance while this mode is enabled. For example, set different wallpaper. Let's try this out. Like that. And let's tap done. After that, we can go back and choose to turn it on. Now immediately you can see that dark mode is enabled and we got different wallpaper on home screen as well as on lock screen. And also the phone is in silent mode. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.